Hi, everybody. My name is Ben Baker, and we have a failure to communicate. Every year in the United States, $37 billion is wasted in ineffective internal communications. We want to help you fix that. But here's some stories that will give you some insights that will show you what is being done currently and how you can avoid them. We hope you find these valuable. We look forward to hearing from you. I don't know how many people here have ever tried to take food and ship it across international borders, but it's a lot harder than most people realize. We had a new employee, and he had a fairly large client in the United States that wanted smoked salmon, and we were up in Canada. We had access to the product, we knew how to ship it, but the problem was he was new, didn't understand the rules and regulations, didn't understand the paperwork, and didn't understand what needed to happen. And he shipped $50,000 worth of smoked salmon cross the border, or at least tried to, without asking anybody within the office how to do this effectively. The long and short of it is, the smoked salmon sat in a warehouse in a bond for 3 weeks until it spoiled, and then the borders sent it back. So not only did we pay for 3 weeks worth of bond material to be able to have it warehoused, we didn't take care of the customer. We lost money on the actual product itself, and the company was able to lose a very valuable client. So what we had here was a failure to communicate.